How to change your Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Bitmoji gender on Snapchat in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started by opening the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile, simply tap on the settings icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the settings section, simply tap on the option labeled Bitmoji. And now here is the important part. Snapchat doesn't allow you to directly change the gender of your Bitmoji, so instead you will need to reset your Bitmoji. And to create a new one from scratch, you simply need to tap on Unlink Bitmoji. And after tapping on that, a pop-up menu will appear. So go ahead and tap on Remove. And once you have unlinked it, simply tap on Create Bitmoji and start Trace. And here you can select your new gender and customize your avatar however you like. And that's it. That's how you can change your Bitmoji gender on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.